Hello everyone, our today's topic is clinical trial and phases of clinical trial. Then firstly, what is mean by clinical trial? A clinical trial means a systemic study of pharmaceutical product on human subject, whether it is the patient or non-patient, and to verify their safety, their pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic, adverse effect and efficacy also. That is clinical trial. In simple word, clinical trial means to find something new related to the treatment and medicine. That is clinical trial. And then next, what is preclinical trial? Preclinical trial means firstly in preclinical trial the study done in an animal, that is in vivo and in vitro study, and the dose proportion is used in a this means smaller dose proportion is used in a preclinical trial. So we can't judge any safety efficacy in a preclinical trial, and the main aim of preclinical trial to check the mechanism of action of drug and pharmacokinetic of drug, means how the drug moves in our body. We check in a preclinical trial. Then after the preclinical trial, the term is a IND. IND means investigational new drug application. In means before the clinical trial are started and after the preclinical trial is completed, the IND submit the report to FDA, that is investigational new drug application. And then after phases of clinical trial are started. Then phase 1, in phase 1 we take the 20 to 80 healthy volunteers, and the main aim of phase 1 to check the pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic, safety and doses, and the main aim is safety and dosage. So we can't take any patient who already having in disease condition. That is phase 1. And in phase 1 there is having three more terms are important. First, that is the SAD. SAD means single ascending dose. In single ascending dose we take the single dose to smaller group of smaller object, that is the single ascending dose. Multiple ascending dose means we take the object multiple dose, means multiple dose we take the object, and ascending means increasing orders. Means firstly we give them 5 mg, then after we increasing the dose proportion, is like that. And then next, food effect. A food effect means sometimes we can't take any drug with food with causes the adverse effect, that is a food drug interaction, that is food effect. And then next, phase 2. Phase 2 is also called as the exploratory phase. In exploratory phase we take the 1000 plus volunteers who already having in disease condition, because the main aim of phase 2 to check the efficacy as well as side effect of drugs. So we take a patient who already having in disease condition. And the phase 2 is also divided into two types, that is the phase 2A and phase 2B. In phase 2A we take in phase 2A means mainly study frequency of drug is study in a phase 2A, and in phase 2B study the safety as well as efficacy of drug, that is phase 2B. And then next, phase 3. Phase 3 is also called as a confirmatory phase. In phase 3 we recall all the first two phases, mean phase 1 is also recalled, phase 2 is also recalls, means all the data collected in a phase 3. And in phase 3 there is a having several year study, after the phase 3 is done, then NDA is a start. In NDA preclinical to phase 3 data are collected and to submit FDA, and these data submitted to FDA, that is NDA, that is new drug application. And one more term is a SNDA. SNDA means supplemental new drug application, that is SNDA. And after all are done, then next phase 4 is started. Phase 4 means after the drug is marketed, then the study is started, it's called phase 4. Phase 4 is also called as a post marketing phase or pharmacovigilance phase. In this phase to study the more and more related to the drug, means drug cause any side effect, drug cause any safety, and means in this phase after the drug is marketed, and then the study is started in the drug, that is phase 4. And one more term in a phase 3, that is the phase 3 is also divided into two types, that is the phase 3A and phase 3B. Phase 3A means prior to NDA, that is phase 3A, and phase 3A collect the data related to the safety and efficacy. And phase 3B means after the NDA but prior to drug marketed, means prior to a drug launch in the market, that is phase 3B. That is all about in a clinical trial and phases. Thank you.